kagaya ng sinabi ko sa previous video, we're going to transfer these events or convert these events to calendar. Okay? So, since kilala natin na ang EA niya ay si Sab, so we're going to, tayo si Sab, okay? Tayo si Isabella Sanchez. I mean, if may totoong Isabella Sanchez, hello. Pero hindi po ikaw yung tinutukoy ko. Ito lang po yung mga naisip ng mga words and or names, ganyan. So, wala siyang specific people. Hala, may naiisip kong sa Bray. Wala naman akong ganong naiisip. So, makikita nyo na first, ito yung calendar natin. We're going to use Google Calendar. Para hindi tayo ma-confused, we're going to create another calendar. Instead of Brian on TikTok, we're going to create another calendar. I taught you guys how to create another calendar. Just go to other calendars and then create new calendar. Palitan lang natin siya. Lagyan natin ng Jamie's calendar. Perfect. And alam natin na ang hindi nyo pala alam, ngayon ko pala sasabihin, na si Jamie po ay nakatira sa New York. So, papalitan natin, hanapin natin New York, this one, and then at saka natin i-create yung calendar para hindi magkalituhan sa time zone. And also, you have to change the time zone naman ng calendar because we're going to focus nga kay Jamie lang. Kay Jamie lang. Makikita nyo na Jamie's calendar successfully created. There you go. And then makikita nyo na siya sa calendar. Oh, siya daw yung yellow. And since we're going to focus on Jamie's calendar, so tatanggalin muna natin yung Brian on TikTok. Pwede nyo naman siyang i-uncheck. Yan, para hindi kayo malito. And then yung task, existing pa din siya. And let's act guys na ito ay kay Jamie calendar. Okay? Punta kayo sa settings para sa time zone. Papalitan nyo kasi ito guys. Ito yung papalitan nyo kasi nakita nyo naman na Chicago yung time zone ng current client because of our tutorial. Pero let's go to settings and then let's change this to New York. Since nasa New York daw si Jamie. So palitan din natin to Jamie para hindi tayo magkalituhan. And then tayo ay nasa Philippines. So si Sab ay nasa Philippines. Okay? So makikita nyo na magpapalit na yan. And let's start converting these to calendar events. Okay, so meron talaga yan, nakalagay dito, meron yung type of event, focus time or blocker. But since this is the free version, makikita nyo na walang focus time na option guys. Unfortunately, dahil po medyo hindi po tayo ka-enterprisean or kayamanan. So, wala po tayo ditong focus time na option. But if naka-enterprise kayo, pwede nyo gamitin yun. Ano ba yung use no? Mas maganda kasi yun guys kasi na-automatically decline niya yung mga bagay-bagay na dumadating since it's focus time nga. So, syempre ayaw mo magpa-store ba, di ba? Pero, let's just act as if it's a focus time but event, okay? Para, wag na naman tayo maging particular masyado. So, nakita natin na ito yung title, invitees. So, yung invitees naman, guys, since hindi rin naman ako makapaglagay ng invitees, let's just act na may mga tao talaga. Kaya nga nilagay natin sa title title ng calendar para hindi na rin tayo magkalituhan. Sino ba yung kasama niya dito? And since hindi nga tayo makakapaglagay ng invite, so, let's just act again na in-invite natin using Gmail or yung account nila. And then, including yung location, guys. Siyempre, hindi natin mapapalitan ng Zoom meeting, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, maybe, let's just try. Pero ako yung malilito. Pero sige, para sa inyo, sige na, guys. So, makikita din natin kung kailan siya yung meeting. Since it's recurring meaning, paulit-ulit siya nangyayari. Day of the week, time, occurrence, description, type of event. This is very important. The type of event is really important. Pero mamaya natin siya mapag-uusapan, guys. So, para meron naman tayong konting thrill. There you go. So, first is deep work. Ang dami ko na sinasabi. Deep work is, meron na tayong tatlo. So, may Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, 8:50 a.m. daw for Monday. So, let's try it. And it's weekly, guys, Again, it's weekly. So, since makikita nyo na meron tayong waste, diba? Pag ginawa natin ganyan, medyo hindi naman siya sasakto sa 8:50 a.m. Pero, let's just try to make it 8:50 a.m. Parang manually. Since ayun daw yung masusunod, 8:50 a.m. Yan. 8:50 a.m. makikita nyo. And then next is sabi daw niya na hanggang 12 noon. So i-follow lang natin 12 noon. 12 p.m. There you go. Yung time zone is naka-primary time zone na yung Eastern time. So goods na tayo dyan. And then deep work. So this is just a focus time. And since wala nga tayong focus time na feature, so events muna yung gagawin natin. And then alala nyo na it's Monday daw. So weekly. So we're just going to set it weekly on Monday. Perfect. So, there you go. And then next is meron pa tayong mga iba't ibang deep work dito. So, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. naman Tuesday and Thursday. There you go. So, Tuesday and Thursday, ano daw, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Yan. So, since hindi naman siya mag-11 a.m., let's just make it 11 a.m. And then, next is, we're going to go to, nakalagay kasi dito is Tuesday and Thursday. So, punta kayo tayo sa Tuesday. Tuesday, Thursday, since it's weekly, so 1 to, done. And then, deep work again. Perfect. Ganyan lang. O, diba? So, makikita nyo, weekly na yan. And then, last but definitely not the least, 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay? So, Wednesday, Friday naman daw siya. So, 8:30 to 11 a.m. Okay. 11 a.m. 11 a.m. and then deep work din. Perfect. And then it's Wednesday and Friday naman weekly. Perfect. So yan, so done na tayo dito sa deep work. And next na natin is Monday planning with Sab and Jamie. So first it's Monday daw. So 8 a.m. to 8:50 a.m. So it's basically an hour. So 8 a.m. to 8:50. Kaya pala may gap, no? Makikita nyo bakit may gap. Okay. So yan, and then sabi daw niyan ay weekly on Monday. Be particular guys sa occurrence. Kung kailan siya nare-repeat, ganyan. So, perfect. So, huwag kayong mag-alala guys kung bakit, pare-pares, ang pangit naman tingnan. Chill lang kayo, chill lang. Okay, huwag kayong masyado magmadali. And then next naman is 8 a.m. to 8:25 naman daw, Wednesday and Friday. Okay, ito yung title niya, Check in Sab and Jamie. So, 8, perfect. So, yung 8:25 guys, di ba originally, 8:30 talaga yan. Anong ginawa nga natin ulit? Pumunta tayo sa settings, pumunta tayo dito sa speedy meetings. Kasi normally, kapag 30 minutes, or hindi so normally, mag-change talaga yun for 30 minutes. Pero dahil naka-speedy meetings tayo because we wanna give our client some time, breather, overrun, ganyan. So, speedy meetings. So, I mean, depende naman sa preference mo. Pero ako, preferred namin. Ako, usually with my executive, prefer namin na naka-speedy meeting. So, let's try it. Then, yung title niya. And then, again, nakalagay dito is Wednesday and Friday weekly. Okay? So, as easy as that, perfect. So, 'di ba parang ang linis-linis na tingnan ng calendar ni Jamie. Ganyan. So, next is meron naman daw siyang weekly one-on-one with Michael Ford every Tuesday, yan, 11 to 11:50 a.m. Yan, so weekly din daw yan. So, on Tuesday, perfect. And we're done. So, makikita nyo na, weekly na yan. And ngayon naman guys, I'm going to just create these ones para hindi naman tayo masyadong 'di ba? Parang paulit-ulit. So, para mapabilis na natin. Gawin ko na lang siya. There you go. We're done na guys dito sa weekly with Elena and weekly with Ava. And then now, meron naman tayong lunch. So, yung lunch daw natin is daily, Monday to Friday. So, lunch blocker. So, give time para sa client yun na mag-lunch. Okay? So, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Perfect. So, since it's hanggang 12:50 p.m. So, let's just, leave it as is. And then, it's weekday. So, ayan, may option tayo na weekday dito. Then, perfect. Perfect. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So, next is may exercise naman daw siya. So, nag-exercise. So, Monday to Thursday, be particular guys, 6 a.m. to 6:45 a.m. or mga around 6:40 a.m. yan. So, let's just exercise. Perfect. And then, okay. Yeah. So, 6:45 hanggang, ano daw yung sabi niya? So, 6 a.m. to 6:45. Perfect. 6:45. Yan, ano ba to? 6:40. Ayan. So, 6 hanggang 6:40 lang pala talaga siya. Exercise natin hanggang Monday to Thursday. So, Friday hindi siya Feeling ko, mag-gym siya, lang. Ayan. Monday to Thursday, perfect. Exercise, we're done. And then, next naman natin is family time. Of course, guys, you give your client family time. Huwag naman kayo maging selfish. Hala, may sinabi na agad na ganun. So, hanggang 7:30 daw. Yan, 7:25. Family time. And then, naman siya? Monday to Thursday then. Okay, perfect. Monday to Thursday. And then, next naman natin is, meron siyang family time. Friday daw, 6 a.m. to to 7:30. Perfect. Grabe, ang dami niyang binibigay na time. 'Di ba? Dapat ganito talaga. Binibigyan niyo ng time yung pamilya niyo. Huwag kayong masyadong ano diyan. Ayan. So, yan. Dapat medyo equal siya. Pero, yeah. Let's just leave it as is again. And then, meron naman tayong kids to school, di ba? Like, ang dami niyang time. Executive siya, pero marami pa rin siyang time. So, ilalagay natin to guys, kids to school, since medyo na uulit lang naman to, yung mga bagay na yan. So, family time naman to, ganun din. So, I'm just going to add them one by one, Monday to Friday, okay? There you go. So makikita nyo, ay yellow na black na yung calendar nito ni client na to. Ganyan. So parang robot na robot naman to si ante. So yan, makikita nyo na family time. And then meron tayong mga bi-weekly. I'm going to show you paano naman yung bi-weekly. So with Nathan daw, may bi-weekly daw siya every Tuesday, 3 p.m. to 3:25 p.m. Yan, 3 p.m. to 3:25. Perfect. Bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks guys, ang turo ko sa inyo ay punta lang kayo sa custom and then repeat every 2 weeks. Perfect. And then invitee, yung details, yung guest, and then add nyo lang yan. Makikita nyo na difference itong mga to paulit-ulit, pero ito, wala na siya sa next week kasi nga, the following week na siya. So, every 2 weeks siya. So, ganun din gagawin natin with Ryan and Zoe. So next naman guys, since si Zoe naman ay monthly every Tuesday 1 p.m. to 1:25 p.m. and nakalagay monthly on first Tuesday, okay? First Tuesday. So monthly one-on-one with Zoe, pero let's just first start it this week. So 1 p.m. Perfect. 1 p.m. Yan, 1 p.m. to 1:25 and then monthly nakalagay dito on the third Tuesday, pero let's just make it na every 4 weeks. Though since ang instruction naman dito, I mean hindi kasi siya hindi siya applicable dun sa current date, but yeah, let's just say na it's third Tuesday yan. So third Tuesday na lang natin siya. Kasi hindi natin siya pwedeng ma-adjust since hindi naman first Tuesday ngayon, 'di ba? And we're looking at this week. So this is the third Tuesday na daw. Okay, so save natin siya. So every third Tuesday makikita natin siya dito. Ano ba yung third Tuesday? Magkaiba guys yung every 4 weeks, magkaiba yung monthly every first Tuesday. Okay, magkaiba yun guys. So ito 1, 1, 2, and then dapat nandito na siya. Dito, yan, 3. Perfect. So, yun, monthly naman yon. And then next naman natin is meron naman daw tayong Monday brainstorm session. This is executive team. So 3 p.m. i-add lang natin itong mga to since paulit-ulit lang naman din sila. Okay? Perfect. So tapos na tayo sa executive team meeting and makikita nyo yung importance ng may, may speedy meeting kasi nakikita nyo may gap pa siya. So may 10 minutes pa between executive team meeting and then bi-weekly with Ryan na one-on-one. There you go. So again, depende naman to sa preference ng client mo. And then lastly, we have Friday out of office. So naturo ko din sa inyo yung idea ng out of office, 'di ba? So we're going to add it. And since meron na tayong mga current events, as long as walang meetings, and since this is non-negotiable na may check-in sila every Friday, we're going to keep them, okay? So we're just going to go here and then out of office and then title natin, Friday out of office, so new, so only new. So yung mga madadating lang ng mga invites. And then repeat natin siya every week on Friday. Yan. No meeting Friday. So let's just put here no meeting Fridays. Yan. So para ma-protect natin yung time ni client. Perfect. So save and decline. And we're good to go, guys. We're good to go sa calendar ni client. So ito naman, guys, since nag-open siya. There you go. So nakita natin na bakit ito ay lumabas. Kasi yung main calendar na nilagay natin is not Jamie's calendar, it's a Brian's calendar. So pupunta tayo dito and then edit lang natin siya and then let's just make sure na ito ay nakalagay sa calendar ni Brian. So let's just act na ito ay nasa main calendar niya. No? So let's again use maybe the events. Yan. So what we're going to do is we go back to it and then lagay lang natin yung meeting, ano bang title ulit natin? So meeting no Friday na lang. No meeting Fridays. Perfect. And then instead of Brian on TikTok, i-choose natin si Jamie's calendar. So be sure guys na kino-consider nyo to. Perfect. And then next is does not repeat weekly on Fridays. And then out of office to guys. Wala pala. So makikita nyo to sa calendar na main ni Brian. So tanggalin muna natin itong mga to. There you go para walang abala, okay? So makikita nyo na dapat ang out of office kasi guys, nag-apply pala siya. Nag-apply lang siya sa main calendar natin. So there you go, nandito na to siya sa calendar and no meeting Fridays na yan. Yan, so let's set it every Friday. Yan, weekly on Friday. Save natin siya. Last naman natin is this Friday out of office. So meaning, out of office siya. Tinuruan ko din kayo kung paano mag-create ng out of office sa calendar. So copy lang natin yung title. There you go. And then it's every week Friday. So mag-out of office tayo. Perfect. And then Friday out of office, let's just make it Friday no meeting Fridays. No meeting Friday and then only new no meeting Friday. Ayun na lang yung reason natin or message natin. And let's just save this. Perfect. So since this is weekly on Friday, so isa-save na natin siya. Perfect. And there we have it guys, na-transform na natin itong list na to calendar. And sa next video, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano mag-color coding sa calendar, which is very important. Kaya meron tayong type of event. So I'll see you sa next video.